Hello everyone. Today we'll learn about the chapter 2 physical features of India from class 9. Find different type of features like mountains, plateau, plain, lakes, etc. But the question is how it is formed. Earth scientists have attempted to explain the formation of physical features with the help of some theories. Based on the certain evidence, one such possible theory is the theory of plate tectonic. Then what is the plate tectonic theory? Yes, the plate tectonic theory. According to the theory, the crust, mainly the upper crust of the earth, has been formed out of 7 major and some minor plates that form earth crust keep moving, causing stress and volcanic activity. Major plates like Indo-Australian plate, Pacific plate, etc. Here the map of world plate margins. You see the different names of plates. These plates sometimes they move towards each other and sometimes they move away from each other. Broadly, these plates movements are classified into 3 types. These types are convergent plate boundary. When some plates come towards each other and form convergent boundary and divergent boundary. When plates move away from each other and form divergent boundary. Transform boundary. When plate moves horizontally past each other, it is called transform boundary. This is the diagram of convergent plate boundary, where you see the 2 plates comes towards each other, and it is the divergent plate boundary where 2 plates moves away from each other. Himalayan Mountain is also the formed by the convectional plate boundary. Like the 2 books are the 2 plates, like it is the Eurasia plate and it is the Indo-Australian plate, and the middle is the Tethys Sea, where 2 plates moves towards each other, and this portion, the alluvial and sedimentary portions, formed by the folded mountain, which is called the Himalayan Mountain. Okay. Now we learn about the major physiographic division. The physical features of India can be grouped under the following physiographic divisions. First one, the Himalayan Mountain, and the second, the Northern Plain, third, the Peninsular Plateau, fourth, the Indian Desert, 5, the coastal plains, and 6, the islands. First is the Himalayan Mountain. The Himalayan Mountain are young fold mountain which are the loftiest and one of the most rugged mountain barriers of the world. It is 2400 km long, 400 km to 150 km wide from Kashmir to Arunachal Pradesh. It has 3 parallel ranges in the loftiest extent, namely inner part is called Himadri Himalaya, lesser Himalaya is called Himachal Himalaya, and outmost layer is called Sivalik. The uppermost part of the Himadri, northernmost range of Himalaya, is also known as the Great Indian Himalaya. The average height 6000 meter. Mount Everest, Kanchenjunga, and many more highest peak of the world situated here. It is covered with snow made of granite and sedimentary rock. Then the Himachal. It is called the Lesser Himalaya. Average height 3700 to 4500 meter. Valley of Kashmir, Kangra, Kulu Valley lie in the range. Sivalik, the southmost part of the Himalaya. It is the outmost layer, average height 900 to 1100 meter, made of alluvial soil, many dunes like ranges, Koti Dun, Patli Dun, Dehradun, etc. Himalaya is divided into 3 different regions. One, between Indus and Satluj, has been traditionally known as Punjab Himalaya, which is known as Kashmir and Himachal Himalaya. Second, the part of the Satluj and Kali is known as Kumain Himalaya. Third, the part of Kali and Tista is known as Nepal Himalaya. And fourth, the part lying between Tista and Dihang is known as the Assam Himalaya. Next, the Northern Plain. The Northern Plain forms three major rivers, Ganga, Indus, Brahmaputra. The area is enriched of alluvial soil and it is the very good rainfall. So, the good agriculture shows there. It is 2,400 km long and 240 to 320 km broad. The northern plain is broadly divided into three sections. A Punjab plain formed of Indus and its tributaries. The larger part of the plain lie in Pakistan. The Ganga plain extends between Ghaggar and Tista river. It is spread over North India, UP, Bihar, partly Jharkhand and West Bengal. And C, the Brahmaputra plain lies in Assam. The northern plain also divided into four regions from north to south. A Bhavar, B Tarai, C Bhangar and D Khadar. Mainly the Bhangar and Khadar. Bhangar is the oldest and Khadar is the newest. The Peninsular Plateau. The Peninsular Plateau is the tableland formed due to breaking and drifting of the Gondwana land. It is two divisions, Central Highland and Deccan Plateau. Mainly the Narmada river flows between Central Highland and Deccan Plateau and it divides this area. Here are the important questions that what are the difference between Western Ghat and Eastern Ghat? The Western Ghat lies in the western part of Deccan Plateau and Eastern Ghat lies in the eastern part of Deccan Plateau. The Western Ghats are the higher in elevation. Their average elevation is from 900 to 1600 meters. The Eastern Ghats are the lower in elevation. Their average elevation is 600 meters. Western Ghats have a continuous chain of mountains and can be crossed through a passage only. And Eastern Ghats chains are not continuous, which is called discontinuous and denuded by the rivers which flow into the Bay of Bengal. No major rivers has cut across them, but Eastern Ghats have been cut across major rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri. Have you remembered this picture? Yes, it is the Indian desert. The Indian desert, it lies in western margin of Aravalli Hills. It receives very low rainfall below 150 mm per year. Arid climate, low vegetation cover this area and Luni is the main river of this area. And next, the coastal plain. The coastal plain, it is the peninsular plateau flanked by stretch of narrow coastal strips running along the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on the east. Western coast consists of three sections. Northern part is called the Konkan, Mumbai to Goa. The central is called Kannur Plain, while southern is referred to as the Malabar coast. The northern part of the Eastern Ghat is referred as North Sircar and southern part is known as the Coromandel coast. The last part is the islands. The islands, there are two islands. One is Lakshadweep Islands, the group lying close to the Malabar coast of Kerala. It is made of coral reefs. And other is Andaman Nicobar Island located in the Bay of Bengal. These islands groups of great diversity of flora and fauna. This is the map of the major physiographic division of India. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.